relaxation zone here.
Yeah.
Okay. Brownie's face. She's closing her eyes. Yeah, is this interesting for you? Because I'm so close to your height right now. She was literally looking into my face and going,
Yeah.
yeah.
She want to enjoy the summer bonding time.
Bonding time.
Yeah.
Now Amy doesn't want to go. Just leaning.
To you?
Yeah. And Brownie's eyes are completely closed.
Oh.
This part was also covered in fall colors, and we stopped a lot just to get out and see it. You guys, it's Mount Greylock Drive Summit. This has been an easy highlight from the beginning of the trip. But the colors are incredible. The way the trees go over the road. This is something that's happening. As we got off the mountain, the drive through was right by the Mount Williams Reservoir. There's Mount Greylock.
I think they are enjoying your petting massages.
Bonding moment, huh?
Yeah.
Amy passing out or something.
Yeah, Amy passing out.
And Ray and Mocha just waiting for their turn.
We have made it into Vermont. This is the epic part of the Everything's been gorgeous, but Vermont is very looking forward to. What state number is it?
You guys are so cute. Amy sometimes get hyper.
Yeah, she got too hyper, so I was like, you chill out now.
Yeah.
Because she was pushing all the other dogs out of the way, just boom, boom, boom.
Oh.